Hi guys, today we're going to make this into your own Minecraft play button. So, into this, guys. Yes, the diamond play button. 2 million subscribers, guys. I can't believe it. I'm at 10 million subscribers, guys. I can't believe it. Sorry, guys. This is clickbait. Okay, but no. I'm going to show you an arts and craft how to make this. So, how to make a diamond play button. So, literally, what I did was find the texture of that. Yeah, diamond play button. I copied the texture off with gray crayon. All I did was color it lightly and then dark, put the dark spots in that texture, but then lightly color it around the diamond play button. So it makes it look like it's the actual diamond play button, guys. So yeah, all you need is the fold these short ways. So like this. See, this is long ways, this is short ways. So this is long ways. See the difference? So I'm folding the short ways. Okay, so do the same thing. Okay, flip this. Doesn't have to be perfect. If you want it perfect, then it'll be a perfect button. So, look, like this. And then this one. Sorry, I got water all over it. This one, the opposite. So, it's the same fold. Oh, right here. Okay, and guess what you're gonna do? After you got these put in, you want to put them like this. So, what I did right now was had these two, and just see, look, putting it inside. So put it inside right here. This, that, and that. So you want to have tape for this. Else it's going to look like this. That's pretty bad. You do not want that. So we're going to tape this. Okay, there you go. Got this. The first piece is the little piece. You want to put the big part, just fold it right here. Boom. Okay, that side is taped. I'm going to tape this side. So I'm going to go tape this side. And I need 3 tapes this small on that side. It's not going to be perfect, but it's okay. Just try to make a play button. See, there's a texture. I meant two tapes. Sorry guys, 2 tapes. Okay, now you want to do the same to the opposite, how I showed you those two. So you remember on the sides, not on the top sides, the sides, left and right sides. You want to put small tapes. Okay, got that down. Now, but now on the bottom, so where we put the the 2 tapes on the top, put 1 tape now. Yeah, so put that down right there. Okay, guys, taped that together. Okay, now we have this. So, in order to make this, go to AMARILLOCE.info.com, or just info, or type in images, Scream Louder, episode 5, Robo House, the Ranger. So yeah, okay, so all you have to do is color this, and then on the back of your what your YouTube button has, put on back your YouTube channel and the icon. See? Congrats, Jake Peter, 10 million subscribers. That's all you guys have to do. It's pretty easy. I'm not going to color it now because I already did this. And I'll see you guys later. And that was how to make the diamond play button. Or your own play button. See you guys later. Bye. Bye.